What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at Miss You from the Rolling Stones, one of my favorite songs from them. Standard tuning, and we are using the middle pickup, single coil. So with that said, we're going to start out here 5th and 7th fret, but then as the song progresses, we're going to come down 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th fret. But we're only using the 4th and 3rd string. And that goes for down here on the lower frets too. So we're going to start out 5th fret, fret the 4th string. You're going to pick that once. And then 4th string 7th fret once. 3rd string 7th once. 3rd string 5th once. 4th string 7th once. 4th string 5th once. Back to 4th string 7th. So you got, and that's going to play a second time. But I do want to mention there is a pull off here. So when you're actually playing this, a little tip would be on the 5th fret, bar strings 3 and 4. You're going to pick that 4th string, and we're going to do exactly what we did. And then you can roll your finger down to fret the 3rd string, and then you're going to release that, pick that 3rd string, and then when we come back to this 4th string 7th fret, this is where we're going to do the pull off after we pick it. And then we're going to re-fret that. So all together you're going to have, and then to finish that up, it's going to be 5th fret, 4th string, and then you're coming over here after you pick that once, 4th string, 7th fret, and again, you're barring the 3rd, so all you're doing is picking the 3rd string on that 5th fret, and then you're coming back over and fretting the 4th string, 7th fret. So that end part is just, and to put it all together, it's just going to be. Now, same thing is being played down here. It's same notes, just different frets. You're fretting the 3rd string, 12th fret. You're going to pick that once. And then 3rd string, 14th fret once. 2nd string, 15th once. And then 2nd string, 13th fret once. And then back to 3rd string 14th, and then back to 3rd string 12th, back to 3rd string 15th or 14th fret. So you got, and you still got that same pull off. And then to finish it, it will be 12th fret, 3rd string. 3rd string 14th fret, and then 2nd string 13th, and 3rd string 14th. So you got